going to show you our 36 mil drain mat product. This is a pretty remarkable product for us. It's got a felt. You can see we use this felt for lots of things. It's durable, so we can put blocks and bricks and things on it without hurting it. But the drain mat's unique in that the felt is hydrophobic, so the felt actually rejects water. If I get a low spot in a crawl space and there's a dry spot, even if it's uphill, it's actually going to move water to that spot. We've had unbelievable results with this. It's relatively lightweight. It's got a really nice color to it. Actually, I'll cut you a piece to get a better look at it. It is cuttable with scissors. You need a sharp pair, but it's best to work with the scissors. I found that if you've got a crawl space with stone or any rough surfaces, you pretty much have to use it. If you've got a crawl space that's got water issues, you really need to use it because this with the sump pump works really, really well. It's kind of high tech in that it's lightweight, it's flexible, but we use the latest technology to lighten the weight and increase the strength. It's got a little off-white color to it on purpose. It's got a nice film, so we can wipe it down. It doesn't hold footprints. It's just a really unique product. It comes 8 feet by 100 feet. We sell this in individual rolls, and obviously we sell it in pallets for larger contractors that want to use this. Very durable. Use it for virtually anything. Soundproofing. There are lots of ways to take advantage of this product. So give us a call if you have any more questions.